Hi, this is Fiorella from anyhousecleaning.com. Today in the morning we are preparing ourselves, organizing a little bit, and be ready to work this morning. But this video is about getting some coupons to try new products. If you want to clean your house, or if you are running a cleaning business and you want to try and see how good is a product, even though it's an Easy Off, a Lysol, Good Life for clothes, or Resolve for carpets. This company, the RV, I don't know how to pronounce this, but it's a Reddick Ben Kaiser products. You can call them. Each product, on the back of the product, there is a 1-800 product number. And you can call them. Say, you know what, I would like to try all English furniture polish, or I would like to try Mop and Glow, or Lama Way, or Easy Off, you know. So call them. You can do this one time and they will send you a coupon. They already sent me the letter commenting of the Lysol and Boil cleaner, that I love that product, and I received the coupon that I request because I want to try one of those products. So just a tip for today. Thank you for watching. Fiorella from anyhousecleaning.com.